Hi everyone, want to make it easy for your website visitors to call your business? In this video, I'll show you how to embed a call widget directly into your website. Imagine running a luxury resort in exotic destination like the Maldives. You have a VoIP PBX and a local phone number connected to it to handle guest inquiries. But potentially, guests from abroad hesitate to call Maldives due to expensive rates for international calls. And since your guests come from a variety of countries from Albania to Zimbabwe, getting a local DID from each country is not viable. Now picture adding simple call button to your website. With just one click, travelers anywhere can instantly connect with your reservation team via VoIP, avoiding costly charges. This seamless communication builds trust, encourages bookings, and helps guests plan their dream vacation on pristine beaches, overwater bungalows, or lush tropical retreats with ease. The first thing you will need to have is the Web3 backend, available and connected to VoIP PBX. In our example, the resort company can sign up directly with Web3 and use a multi-tenant cloud Web3 instance. Or a local telco on Maldives, which supplies SIP trunks, can provide Web3 as a part of its service. When you will be doing your own testing, based on instruction in this video, go to signup.web3.com and register for free account. When logged into your dashboard, click the Enable Developer Access menu item. If you encounter any issues, send us an email and we will assist you in getting started. So next, download the pre-built widget from our GitHub repository using this link. I will share this link with you under the description of this video. Then, once download is complete, follow these simple steps. For demonstration purposes, I'll run the widget locally on my laptop. Here is what I do. Open the instructions provided on our GitHub page. Here we have all the instructions. You can find it here. Then I modify any file by replacing the test credentials with my credentials. Let's look at it. So I set my core address, valid credentials for test accounts, and the call center phone number. Please keep in mind that security measures should be in place from the PBX system side to ensure that VoIP account can only call the call center. This is important to prevent potential fraud, as credentials can be exposed through web console. Okay, next I'll run a few terminal commands. Let's check what we have. Okay, we're here. So we will run npm install. Then we will run npm run build. Okay, npm run build. Okay. And then we will run npm run dev. Okay. After completing the setup, I open the website in my browser at this address. Let's copy and paste it. Paste and go. And what can we see? The call button is visible and functional. Let's test it. Okay. So right now we are calling our call center number. Accepting. Okay. Okay. So, success. The call connected perfectly. Embed the widget into your website. Just put 2 lines of code to the target website. These lines. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, we added a call button to a web page. Now you can let your website visitors call your business directly with just one click. Once you're ready to deploy, simply upload the widget to your web server and it will integrate seamlessly into your website. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Give it a try yourself and let us know how it works for you. See you next time!